Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wholemeal loaf. Let's begin. So to get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your wholemeal flour along with the salt and give them both a good mix just to incorporate the two. Then you can go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, which are the sugar, the yeast, the white shortening and the water. You'll then want to mix it on a low speed to start, working your way up to a medium, but don't rush it too quickly. As you can tell, the dough does start to form pretty quickly, and it should be quite a clear dough, and it should leave the bowl pretty clean. That's when you know that your dough is done, and start mixing. Now you can go ahead and flour your work surface with as little or as much as you may need. I can't tell you. If your dough's sticky, use more. You'll then want to just give it a brief knead until it's smooth and elastic. Same step, round the ball of dough off, and then place into a lightly oiled bowl and cover that with some cling film, and then leave that somewhere warm for around 45 minutes to an hour or until doubled in size. So once the dough has doubled in size, you can place it onto a floured surface and knock the dough back. That's just the process of removing the gases that built up during the first proof. Then you can start to bring it back into itself, keeping it into an oblong shape if you possibly can, shaping it as well as you can just using your hands and the work surface. Then grab your loaf tin, which has been lightly oiled, and place your dough into it, covering with cling film and leaving to proof for around 45 minutes to an hour or until well risen. Once the dough has proofed for the second time, you can then place it into your preheated oven. All of that information will be over on the blog post, which is linked down below. So there you go, an easy loaf of wholemeal bread, which is perfect toasted or to be enjoyed however you enjoy your bread. But this is the perfect bread for these times, as getting bread isn't easy, and if you don't have to go out, you can self-isolate with a perfect recipe. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another recipe for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, as there'll be links to my blog, this recipe directly, and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me on there. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.